to another Big Boy Reacts. And thank you for the 4 views. I appreciate it very much. And the 1 subscriber. I don't know who the 1 subscriber, but of the one that subscribed, I thank you. And the 4 people that watching my video, I very appreciate it. And we're now gonna be watching the same guy that we watch Blaza Plays, but we're gonna watch a gaming one of him. And we just do this, and we're on his channel. We're gonna watch this video, learn to fear of chickens. About that, and we're gonna flip it. Watch Gorilla Man.
I become bigger and bigger.
Okay.
After I eat something, I become bigger and bigger, and I can eat more and
more.
I'm gonna grow as big as possible and crown myself King Gorilla. I am here. I am Monkey.
Wait, is he VR? Okay. Oh, that's how he played Gorilla Tag, I guess.
I'm a very
Monkey
I would like some bananas. Would you be so polite to give me some bananas? What is this? Rock.
Rock.
I don't think you
It's
want
rock.
to touch me. Give me my
Monkey.
I'm not strong enough. I need to eat. So in this game, I need to eat to get bigger, like this mushroom. And I need to become level 2. I need more food. Can I eat you? Come here. Level 3, I grew.
You are level 2. I'm getting evolution. Oh, to you.
Yes, there we go. What are these berries? Where's that guy?
Good man. Give me banana. Big dog. Okay.
I'm Monkey with gun now. Bow for me, my beast.
Okay.
You scientists, you lock me up in the basement. You gotta pay.
Kill.
That's right, no eat.
Monkey is done.
I can't eat them yet. I need to grow stronger, faster.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets?
Please, I don't want ads. I'm recording.
So the bigger I grow,
Monkey was done. Am I still recording, guys?
the more I can eat.
Good job.
Level.
I don't have VR, so you will not be seeing VR until I'm like 16, because I'm literally 10 right now, okay? Just wait till the process, the video will be good, like the other one.
Hello, sir dear. Can I eat you? Eat you now? Oh, neat. Delicious.
Also, you need to subscribe, okay? Sorry, I was just talking.
Oh my God,
Okay.
there's a whole bear here.
Good job, boy!
Hello, Pharaoh. Can I eat you, Mr. Bear?
Eat bear!
Can I eat that guy now? I think I can eat that guy.
Wow!
You, get over here. I can't eat him yet. I need more deers. You come over here, Mr. Deer.
Big fat people.
Look at my
Okay.
massive hands. I can pick up this
Oh,
bird. Where is that guy?
Woo!
Oh my God, where did he go?
He did.
Hello? Here's the guy. This is what you get when you don't give me bananas. Look at his eyes. He's scared. But they have guns though. Wait,
Ooh.
can I throw stuff at them? Oh, Jesus.
I'm gonna make my game channel in about a few hours. This was like in nighttime, okay? Wait till nighttime, and hopefully I can make it in time.
You are the general. You are my target. I'm gonna eat him. Get out of my way. Where's the gun?
Keep looking at my channel if you want to see more videos. Okay?
Get wrecked, general. I will
And also, don't forget, you need to subscribe and like. And that's right, the video is gonna be fantastic for you. And I am just doing all of this for your entertainment. Okay?
Get like as big as a skyscraper.
What do you mean?
That his supervisors are not happy. Come on, come get this, man. They were just a light snack.
Wow.
I am a tiny little monkey.
Okay.
What is a whole military base? I'm gonna destroy you. I'm gonna
Destroy.
be like much bigger than that base. But first, I
Be
need some
King Gorilla, be Donkey Kong.
berries.
Oh my, why?
Here, Mr. Bear. Fight me.
No, we
You
don't.
really suck.
Okay. Okay. My tablet is literally that's literally the fifth. Bro, I have a very good tablet. I have a Samsung.
Mr. Bear. Oh my God.
What do you
there's a
mean, where's
whole
this
tank
up?
there. Mr. Tank, can I? Okay.
Can
Can I eat you, Mr. Tank? What can I do with this tank? Can I drive the tank?
Drive,
On this
look.
thing. I am the most powerful gorilla in the jungle. Oh my God.
No!
Level 5. Oh boy. Yeah, I can eat you
Nom,
now.
nom,
I can just pick you up, Arrow.
Nom.
Yeah, see you here.
Nom.
Car here. There's a gun. There's a gun on this car. Get out of here. Oh, it exploded. Oh my God, that took health away from me. Why you though? I can kill. Oh, guy with a gun. Dead. Oh my God, I am massive. Who are you? Man, you're looking extra fly today. Let me take a good look. He has laser eyes. Zombies. What the heck is going on here? Skeleton woman. Oh, there's a graveyard here. Happy Halloween from Salmi Game. There's a whole city there. 3. What?
That was my grave, dog. I lived in there. I'm just kidding. I'm not it.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my God, I can just throw anything against that and it will just get destroyed.
Be Donkey Kong.
Cars, disgusting. Can I pick up buildings? I can pick up. Yes, finally.
Banana.
I hate it. I am the most powerful gorilla now. Get out of my way. There's nothing left. Oh my God, there's nothing. Are these grenades? Is it gonna explode?
Wait for it.
That was lame. What about this one? It's sticking, but it's not exploding.
Ah!
Can I eat hay? I can. Okay, here we go.
Um.
And we leveled up again. I am ready to go to the. I am ready to go to the military base. Here we go.
Where did he go? How did that kid go?
Oh my God, that wasn't me. That was all him. That is his fault. Is that what I think it is? Is that highly explosive gasoline? Would be a shame if I went there and picked it up.
Oh! Why? I just okay. I don't like this.
Would be a shame if I went there and picked it up.
Wah!
That's right. I have a
Okay, we got this. Okay, chill. Oh, you
Mr.
flying.
General.
Chill.
I did it. That was epic. I defeated the general. And
Good
they're
job.
not happy. Now what? The 3-course meal. Hello. I'm in the.
Oh yes, good lads. I hate the ads. King Gorilla became a monkey.
Hello.
I became a monkey.
How tiny I am. There's like a tiny little pixel. Oh, what the heck? The whole army is here. Oh God, they also have rocket launchers. Can I assassinate
Oh.
them? Really sneaky. Oh God, no! No, they kill me instantly.
No!
Oh my God. I need more power. I'll level up to like level 5 or something, and then I'll kill them.
Okay.
There we go, level 4. Dude, there's a guy with a laser gun.
Oh,
Here we go.
yeah.
Fireman.
I'll be
There's a gas station. I picked up the gas station. Everybody back off. I have an entire gas station in the palm of my hand. You better not get any closer or the bear will get it. That's right, they turn around instantly. The bear still gotta die though. Explain, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ. That took health away from me. Where's that guy? Oh, I'm sorry, having trouble. I need to eat you. Oh, he died. Stop shooting me. I'll shoot you back. That's right. That's what you get. Come here. Oh God, there's the army. I think I can take him down with this weapon. Best one, the tunnel weapon. What is that? I can't even shoot, bro. Oh, there we go. See if I can get all of them. Oh, that's not good. I'm out of ammo. Okay, they're looking for me. If they they hit me, I like die instantly, so I'm gonna back up. Oh my god,
Okay.
there's two tanks looking at me. I'm just
Oh.
gonna back it up. I'm not
That's
doing
bad,
much
bad,
damage,
bad,
not just yet.
bad.
Level 5.
That's bad.
Giant,
Bad, bad.
Better stop shooting, or he's gonna get it. Yeah, look at me now.
King Gorilla.
I have a hostage, and if you don't give me like at least 2 bunch of bananas, this guy is gonna get. Oh no! Oh, the tanks are here. The tanks are here.
Sorry.
I think it's time to eat them. It's time to eat the tanks.
Kill.
Kill.
I'm dumb.
I'm gonna go.
Die.
I need to eat something quick. Oh, I can eat trees now. Oh, that's awesome. I think I'm the biggest that I can get in this level, so I have to take him down.
Kill.
Right now.
Kill.
They are with
Kick.
powers, and they're doing a ton of damage. There we go. Is that him? I see him.
Kill.
No. Yes, that's right. You've defeated the evil.
Wow.
They're not happy.
The
I
video
know.
ends.
I keep on eating. Can you handle the all you can eat? Oh my god, we're in the winter biome.
Oh, okay.
God, this is
Good.
massive. Is that a red tank? I'm not messing with that. I'm gonna keep it to myself. God damn, Billy Bob, you started working out, didn't you? You think you're excuse me. Think you're as strong as Mr. Monkey Man? Hey, don't walk away from me. Protein. I need more protein.
Oh, good.
To make Billy Bob jealous. Billy Bob, look at me now, Mr. Billy Bob.
Ooh, Billy Bob. Who's Billy Bob?
Monkey angry, monkey mad.
Ooh, no.
You just walk away from me. You just walk away. Rock. You can't just walk away from me.
No.
Rock. You can't just walk away from me. I think I got him. What is that? Oh my god, that is a lot of military. Get away from me, military. Stay away from me. Hello, Mr. Goat. Would you like to help me kill the army, please? Thank you, Mr. Goat. Is that a nuclear bomb? Get out of my way.
Good job. Oh, you died. It's a lot. Give. Don't escape, you die.
They have a lot of power. I'm healing up as fast as I can. I think I just have to start throwing stuff. Big stuff. Like this entire building. Yes. Ugh. Those stupid turrets are annoying. How do I destroy them? Just like this.
Okay,
Grenade.
that's good enough.
I want another grenade. Grenade. Oh my god, look at him go. Oh god, the red tanks are here. Where's the nuke? Yes, finally. Giant nuke. Where's the general? I have a few words to speak with him. There he is. Goodbye, Mr. General. According to my calculations, it should have been.
Oh,
So
no.
what I learned is that the nuke is very dangerous, so we should be very careful with that.
Okay.
There we go. Military base, I'm gonna nuke you. Just you wait. I'm not gonna lose it. Oh my god, there's the nuke. I need that. That is my nuke. I'm gonna get those people away. I guess I'll just throw cars and persons. Let's go bowling. Can I catch the rockets and then throw them back at them? Is that possible? Shoot me. Oh my god, I almost did it. Give me another one. Oh Jesus Christ, why did you do that to your own brother? Okay, I'm gonna grab the nuke. There it is. I got it. I have a nuke. Everybody back off. I'm gonna blow it into that military base. Here we go. It's on. It's going. It's going. It's there. There we go. Right in the center. Oh my god.
Battle pass. Like always, goodbye. Have a nice day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and goodbye for another video.